Well, that's a wrap. It is Independence Day today, so happy Independence Day to everyone. And I sort of feel as though it's our Independence Day as well. We got the wedding all wrapped up. We have a bunch of cleaning up to do. Had planned on coming out here first thing in this morning, but I've just been kind of relaxing here this morning. It's a beautiful day, but everything went great with the wedding.
Don't let him fool you. He was hopping at him this morning.
Yeah, but not like I had planned.
You know what, though? We both were talking this morning. We're super excited for tomorrow.
Yeah, we are.
We have a list of things we're going to do.
We have a list of...
I have a big long list.
Yeah. And, you know, as you guys know, I quit my job, a little over a month ago. And pretty much since then has been, you know, working on the building, but everything was kind of moving towards getting ready for this wedding. And it was a ton of work. It really was. We spent a lot of time doing a lot of things. It's pretty difficult having a backyard wedding because you're kind of trying to transform your property into having a couple hundred people come over and everything has to flow right and no problems. But I'm telling you, it went absolutely fantastic.
It really did. And Hunter Morgan did excellent. Now today's a different story, but whoo,
yeah, Hunter,
he did excellent.
Hunter did really, really well at the ceremony all night. You don't know how that's going to go when you have a whole bunch of people over, but he did fantastic. And the weather was absolutely phenomenal. And I never get too excited about that for some reason. That 4th of July party that we have every year, we got rained out once in 20 years. And so we just prepared everything as if it was going to be a beautiful day. I mean, we had the tent and everything if need be. But we prepared if it was going to be a perfect day, and it was an absolutely perfect day weather-wise. Huh?
We were blessed greatly. It was just beautiful. Low humidity.
Like 75 degrees.
It was really a perfect day.
The prior 5 days before that, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, it was in the mid-90s, humid, miserable. Then it started raining Wednesday. Thursday rained pretty much all day. And Friday, as we were putting on the finishing touches, we had some on and off storms. But yesterday, the skies parted, or the clouds parted, and it was a beautiful day. Really happy for Hannah and Tyler. His family came in. They're from California. Super nice people. A whole bunch of them were here.
Yeah.
What, 15 or 20 of them from California.
25, actually.
25 people from California.
Awesome.
But I think we had, what, 250 here probably?
Yeah.
Food was good.
Managed, it was good.
Fireworks were good. The only thing that didn't go as planned was YouTube pulled down our live stream last night of the fireworks right after it was over. And I'm not sure why. It wasn't monetized or anything like that. But we used music that was not copyright free for the fireworks show.
Which it was playing in the background. So.
Yeah, it was playing in the background. We've done that other years, and it wasn't a big deal. It's just not monetized. And but yeah, they pulled it down. Nobody can see it. It's blocked. So that was kind of disappointing.
Live. If you go to Morgan's Off the Leash and check out my live, it was like when the announcement of the bride and groom and wedding party was coming in. And it was only like 30 minutes long, I think. I got a notification saying that I don't have a strike and they're not taking it down, but I cannot monetize it, which I knew I couldn't.
Yeah, we just wanted to share as much as we could.
Just something we could share with you.
And the fireworks themselves went really well. Plumber Jim was here, and he helped me with the fireworks.
It's Jim the plumber.
I like calling him, yeah, Jim the plumber, Plumber Jim. And it was funny because when we were roughing in the plumbing in the building, I told him last night, I said, you know, when we were doing that, I go, I was in your world, you know, he's the deal. So we went down to the fireworks. I go, you're in my world now. And but yeah, that was his first time helping set off fireworks, but it went well. I didn't get as much video of it as I wanted just because I knew we were doing the live stream. And then YouTube screwed that all up, but everything was just perfect. We're just so happy, and I thought we would be like exhausted today, but yet we are very, very excited,
moving forward,
and motivated. It's like Archie, you know what I mean? Archie, our dog, the youngest one, he gets excited about everything, and he's happy about everything, and that's kind of where we're at right now.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah.
Tyler and Hannah will be starting their life together. And we're going to continue doing what we do here. And it was really nice having a bunch of people over. Like that little wedding in the woods thing setup that we did.
Yeah.
That probably took about 15 hours or something, but so many people thought that was like the greatest thing in the world. I was like, it was a shooting.
Actually, the photographer, she put some just shots on her Instagram and shared, and she said she had like people commenting back, where is that venue?
Yeah.
I would love to rent that venue.
Yeah,
So
not happening. It's a shooting range.
my wheels are turning. We'll see.
But what else about the wedding itself? So the food was good. DJ was fantastic.
Photography was good. I mean, I haven't seen the pictures yet, but she was great to work with.
Yeah, everything went really, really
We
well.
had a soda bar. We don't drink alcohol, so neighbor Cliff and Jeannie lent us their bar. They have a nice bar, and it's on wheels. We brought it over, went under the overhang, and my friend, I asked her, she's done this before, she does a soda bar. I guess out west, there's like soda shops. Can't think of the name of them. I know it's big in Utah, but here we don't have them, but you mix any kind of sodas together, Hunter Morgan's in. So
He loved it.
He was excited, and the guests loved it because they were pouring soda drinks all night long.
Yeah. What else?
Porta Johns worked out.
Yeah, we got the deluxe Porta Johns, little sink and all that stuff in there.
Deluxe.
I don't think they're coming to get them till Tuesday, so we get to use those for a couple of days.
Hunter loves it.
Looking
He's
forward to
always-
that. And the tent, they're coming Tuesday for it as well. So the goal.
Oh, and the signs.
Oh yeah.
Speed Pro made the signs for Hannah and Tyler, and then we had some signs at the end of the driveway for parking, and then some signs for the ceremony and where to sit. Oh, and the flowers. Oh my goodness. We have a dear friend, Alicia, that knows how to do flowers, and her assistant, Kate. Let me just say, they were beautiful, absolutely beautiful. They were stunning, and she was amazing. She was here all day setting things up and getting things done. And then wedding planner, she's really not, but we're trying to talk her into being the wedding planner, Shelly. Shelly was hands-on the wedding planner, and we really appreciate her help. We couldn't have done it without her.
We had a couple kids here too that Shelly got to come over, and
they showed up in black pants, white shirt.
And they bust everybody's tables. They'd take all the garbage out, and it was really nice because usually the 4th of July thing, we're running around doing other things, but we were able to focus last night on
in the beginning, they were even parking cars, and then at the end, they were packing up the leftover food and cookies.
Yeah, it was great.
And I have video. If you follow our Instagram or Facebook, you can see on the story, I did some video of the Pittsburgh cookie table. Have you heard of a cookie table at a wedding? Check it out.
With
I
thousands.
even used a hashtag, but there was 4 or 5 tables. I'm trying to look if they're still there.
Yeah.
With the spool, the wood spool we used for the wedding cake. Oh, our dear friend Michelle made a beautiful wedding cake that was so delicious, and she's so amazing. We asked her, and she's like, sure, no big deal. She shows up the day before and decorated it. We kept it in neighbor Cliff and Jeannie's refrigerator.
And they were a huge help as well, Cliff and Jeannie.
Oh, Cliff and Jeannie, but yeah, Michelle, thanks. The cake turned out great, and we'll put some pictures of that in.
Yeah, we can do that. But I think that's about it. If you are planning a backyard wedding, we think it's a great idea. Whew. It's a lot of work. Obviously, it's going to be more work than if you would just go rent a venue somewhere. But like I said, the weather was the key, and we just did all we could, and then it was out of our hands after that. And the weather turned out perfect the whole day, the whole night. Couldn't be happier.
Yeah, great DJ.
Couldn't be happier. I'm telling you.
He did great.
It was just perfect. And very seldom can you say that whenever you have a couple hundred people come to your house. But, you know, you get the few little kids running into each other and falling down. Those Bova kids.
Occasional. Oh, yeah.
That Bova kid, that one, I saw him go down about 3 or 4 times.
Well, there was one that was trying to break dance, and I'm pretty sure he's never was a break dancer. But he did good. He was busting a move. But it was great. We had so much fun. We really enjoyed ourselves. We appreciate everybody that's helped out. But I think everyone pulled together and did this. The caterer was an established caterer. The DJ is an established
He's been doing it. Matter of fact, he told me yesterday his last wedding is booked for December 31st, and he's retiring. But had great equipment.
Craig, good for
he
you.
set up out there where the ceremony was, and over here, of course. And
it's called the Red Hot Chameleon.
I don't know. I'll try to find that link.
We can put that link in the description. He was great, but everyone else kind of pulled together and helped bake. Tons of people baked cookies. And like I said, Alicia is really good at decorating with flowers, the soda bar. Yeah. We have some friends that were at the wedding reception, and they were asking the people that were doing things if they're available, like the soda bar and the flowers, and if they could do their child's wedding coming up.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
That's right.
I believe in that. I think that's good when you see it and pass it on. And
My
you
mom's
scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
My mom's cousin, her husband came. They live maybe an hour and a half from here, and he had a 2021 Corvette. Did you see that Corvette?
That red one.
Yeah, he had a brand new
Beautiful.
Corvette. He's always had Corvettes. Everyone was checking it out. Really nice car. It was just a great mix of people, friends, family. It was a little bit different than our. It was a lot different than our 4th of July party, because normally it's more people that Melissa and I know.
Right.
And this is more people that Hannah and Tyler know and his family. And, of course, some close friends and neighbors. But we had to kind of draw the line somewhere. If we have 300, 350 at a 4th party, and then you add another 200 or something, that's not going to happen. So we ended up with about 250. Good number. Great day. Everything worked out. And tomorrow, Melissa and I, we're going to just tear into some stuff. You're going to see a lot of good things on the channel.
Super
We're
excited.
both very motivated, and it's the first, since I mentioned before, I quit my job over a month ago, and I am just kind of at peace and ready to go. I really am.
Because you're refreshed. Your mind's fresh to do the things you wanted to do. And yeah, we know that this was a success, and it's behind us now.
Some of those videos
Onward,
I published this week, they turned out okay, but I mean, I was just trying to show people what all it takes to do something like this, and I couldn't even remember what I filmed, what I didn't. And we were working from 6 in the morning till 10 at night, and then I just stay up till midnight for some reason. But everything's good.
I did, and then I didn't get up the next day. I haven't been to the gym in over 2 weeks.
But I think that's it for today's video. Soon we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming, and then some. Yeah,
It was fun, and we're super excited.
Onward and upward.
Yeah, thanks.
But anyway, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.
Thanks.